Do you want to create stunning and unique mandala art? It might look complicated, but it's actually easy when you follow along with me in this class.
Hi, I'm Julie, an artist from Vancouver, Canada. I've been drawing mandalas and Zen-style artwork for many years now, and it's one of my favorite things to draw. It's a peaceful and meditative art practice that anyone can enjoy.
So join me today as I take you through the process of creating these two gorgeous mandala designs. During this class, we will practice some simple mandala patterns. Then, using these templates I've created for this class, we will create two mandala drawings. In the following lessons, we will color in our mandala drawings. And finally, we will share our gorgeous results.
What I love about mandala art is that every piece is unique. So make sure you share your beautiful mandala art in the project section below and browse other people's artwork for inspiration. So are you ready? Let's get started.